Hey guys, hello. Welcome back to Geek Workshop. In today's video, as you can see, you are going to enjoy once again a comic book reading session. This time, Masters of the Universe. The name of the story, Sucker Punch. So, are you guys ready to begin? Let's go. The Enchanted Forest. Fisto, guardian of the sacred woods, stands ever vigilant to protect its inhabitants. Things have been quiet lately. Frankly, a little too quiet. The forest is under attack. Whoever is behind this assault will pay dearly. No. This forest is mine. He-Man, what are you doing? This madness ends now. Who dares? I do not know what spell you're under, but you must yield. Poof. Never. What hit me? Where am I? Some sort of prison? No cell can hold the mighty. Impossible. Smash the door all you want, but the protection spell is impenetrable for even you, Fisto. Stay down, you dog. He-Man, what have you done? The Enchanted Forest. The Enchanted Forest is safe from you, villain. Even your master, Skeletor, cannot help you. Skeletor, my master, never. Enjoy your stay. You're going to be here for a long time. None of these makes sense. He-Man would never be so cruel. Long time. Long time. Long. Wait a minute. That voice. Very well, He-Man. I submit. Turn around and take my hand. Pfft. Your tricks are over, Faker. Return to my forest at your own peril. Bzz, 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 bzz. So you lost against that idiotic Fisto. Pathetic. Mistakes were made, yes, but victory was within my grasp. Nah, weak excuses. Enough, fools. You may have failed, but we shall not. And that, my friends, was this story, Sucker Punch, from Masters of the Universe. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, if you loved this content, hey, easy guys, hit that button, turn the notifications on. In that way, you will receive information in advance of all the new content that is on the way here on Geek Workshop. In the meantime, guys, thank you. Thank you very much for being here today. So long. Take care. Bye-bye.